Hey peeps, Candace here with Cam's Only One Life, and it's time to do the mail art. So this month's theme is spring, and the spring has finally hit here, which it has been cold and rainy for so long that we thought we would never see the sun, and now it's been gorgeous. I've got these are like 6x8, 6x9, and they're kind of thin, so I'm going to just start with a layer of gesso on them, and then I can kind of layer on them without making them too mushy and getting them all crinkled. So I kind of changed my mind. I couldn't find my big bottle of white gesso, so I have this Waverly chalk paint, and I have it in blue, but when I shook it, it just kind of went everywhere, and it's so separated that I just thought I would try this green, and we'll see how it goes. And one of the things that you have to do when you're working with napkins is you have to separate it from the backing, because there's usually 2 or more layers. So what I usually do is I'll just take a piece of tape and I'll kind of stick it to the back and kind of pull at it until I can work it apart. And then once you get that apart, you have to really treat it with a lot of respect, because okay, so this is dry, and I actually did all of these. I tell you what, this paint smells so good. I have not been hardly doing any crafting, so suddenly paint smells really good to me. But so I think I'm going to go ahead and add some washi tape to this, and I'm going to actually glue it down, because washi tape, though it has a nice stickiness to it, it's not going to be very permanent if I don't use some glue. So I'm going to go ahead and just put a line of glue just to make. I have this punch that's a little sprig, and I'm going to use this paper that I had, and then I've got these leftover leaves from the ATCs from the other day, so I think I might put some of them on. I really do want to do something here, and that keeps, I'm just going to stick a little piece of washi tape on it to keep it closed. So I've got this Delusion set, and it's got this little leaf and a little flower on it. So I think I'm just going to do some random stamping with the leaf and the flower. Put one. So I'm going to use some stickers, and when I say no sticker slapping, I don't mean not to use stickers at all. I just mean that you can't just take a piece of paper and throw a sticker on it to do your art. So I got these two Marvy punches, and one punches a scallop, an oval, and the other punches an oval, and I punched this one out of this is actually sticker. It's like a label. And then the other one I'm going to punch out of just plain some sort of a probably craft cardstock, and then glue that on and see how that looks. So I added a little stickles, and there is my finished product. Now, if you want to join the swap, you do not have to do the back. I just like to do the back. You could just do the front, and it doesn't have to be complicated. And it didn't actually take me very long to do these. I could also like go around the outside with this and give it like a framed in look, but I think I just like them just the way they are. So if you'd like to join the swap, you can email me if you're not on Facebook, but if you are on Facebook, the swap link is below, and that will get you to the swap where you can sign up. So how it's going to work is you will send 5 envelopes in just to me. I will sort them and resend them, and you'll put postage in there. It's all explained in the swap, so you can go over and check it out. So thanks everyone. There you have it. Have a wonderful day, and we'll see you over at the Facebook group.